Hi, my name is Chuck and I own an SEO agency out of Charlotte, North Carolina. And we specialize in search engine optimization and getting local businesses just like yours ranked to the top of Google in order to bring you more leads and more business. I was doing a Google search just for the keyword Charleston Pest Control Companies, which is the most popular keyword search for your type of business and people looking for pest control. And what comes up on the first page is a map section, and then you get into the organic listings. And this first one is actually a business directory. This is one of your competitors. Here's another business directory, competitor. You may or may not know that 80% of all new searches pick one of the top 3 search results. And so that's why most businesses like yours want to get on the top or on the first page of Google, because Google is the new phone book, and if you're not in it, and preferably on the first page, people just aren't going to find you. I mean, think about how many times you actually really go past page 1 to look for anything. But I did look for you. I found you back on page 9 and right here. So I went to your website to see what I could offer you to show you what you could do on your own to get your rankings up a little bit. Your site looks really nice. Good picture. Hopefully your web person is installing the image alt tags on there with a good keyword to signal to Google what you want to rank for with these as well. But why do sites rank high on Google? And the answer to that is Google puts a lot into the trust of a website. They want to trust your website in order to rank it higher, and the reason is because they are in it for the end user, like you and me. When you and I go and search on Google for anything, we want to find what we're looking for on the first page, preferably at the top, and when we click on that link, we want it to be what we're looking for. We want it to have good authoritative content and be accurate and to be a good match for what we're looking for. So what does Google look at on your site in order to do that? Well, one of the things is your title tag. We put your URL in our metadata extractor. This is what typically comes out on the blue line in the search results. And the more that it can be congruent with what people are searching for, Google likes to see the city first and then the keyword after that. And then you can put your company after that. That would be fine. But if you put Charleston Pest Control Company and then a vertical line and then Green's Exterminating and then a line with the phone number, you've got 72 characters to play with here. So use that to your advantage. That'll help boost your rankings. The other thing Google looks at in order to see if they can trust your site is what headings do you have on there. Think of that title as the name of your book, and the headings the chapter of the book. So the headings are going to tell Google what you want to rank for, and what your heading on your website is telling Google you want to rank for common pest. And if you change that a little bit to be congruent again with what people are searching for, that'll boost you up in the rankings. So if you changed your heading down here to Charleston Pest Control, Best Company in Charleston for controlling pests or whatever, and then after that you can put some of this, then that would serve you well and boost your rankings. Hopefully that helps you. There's other things that you can do as well we can talk about, but hope that helps, and you can do those things on your own, or if you want some help, just let me know. Take care. Have a great day.